Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad. The Allah's name Al-Quddus is fifth name, its meaning and its explanation. Al-Quddus, the Holy, the All-Holy, He is the King, the All-Holy. 59 Surat, 23 Ayat. Allah is free from imperfection, shortcomings or need, and He is the one to whom are attributed all good and beautiful names. The son of Adam calls me a liar, and he has no right to. He reveals me, and he has no right to. He calls me a liar when I claims that I cannot recreate him, and he reveals me when he says, I am a son. He reveals me when he says, I have a son. I am exalted and I take no spouse and no son. Al-Bukhari. The origin of the word Quddus is Quds, which means purity and integrity. Yet people confuse the attributes of God and associate other things or beings with Him. Hence the need for revelation. The underrate the might of Allah, but on the day of resurrection, He will hold the entire earth in His grasp, and the heavens shall be rolled up in His right hand. Glory be to Him. Be He exalted above any that they associate with Him. 39 Surat 67 Ayat. Hand here is attributed to Allah is not the physical hand we know. We must not try to explain or imagine that it really is. Allah is independent of our time, space, and matter. Like Him, there is not. 41 Surat 2 Ayat. His is the loftiest likeness in the heavens and on the earth. 30 Surat 27 Ayat. The angels call Allah by this name all the time. We proclaim our praise and call your holy. 2 Surat 30 Ayat. And the Prophet, peace be upon him, used to say in his prayer, praise and holiness be to your Lord of the angels and souls. Muslim. We proclaim our praise. We proclaim our praise and call your holy. 2 Surah 30 Ayat. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum. Listen and like and subscribe. Please, please.